Subscribe and like.
Fist bump. Fist bump. Boom. Fist bump. Boom.
Why you coming home so late, Quavius?
Why you yelling?
Where was you at, Quavius?
I was at work.
You ain't got no job, Quavius.
Oh, yeah.
Stop running away.
My bad.
See, I know you lying because you can't even look me
babe,
dead in my
babe,
face.
chill out,
You
chill
can't
out,
even be
chill
a
out.
man about
Come on,
jokes.
get out my face.
If
You
you cheating
yelling
on me,
at me.
let
Come
me
on.
know you cheating on me.
Babe,
I know you got
I am
mad
not
nesses
cheating.
around here.
There's
I know
no
you
nest.
flocking around, flying them
Oh,
pictures all
man.
over. I hate you, Quavius.
Oh, now you hate me. Great.
Let me smell your big dick.
Hell no, you ain't
I know
smelling
you
my
slinging
beak.
that worm
Get out of
everywhere.
here. You gotta trust me.
I just need to let you know,
Trust
Quavius,
me.
I'm pregnant.
Huh?
I got an egg on the way. Quavius is yours.
Damn.
Oh, it's got a whole sausage. Oh. Oh.
Brody, no. Put that down. Brody? No. Brody?
Where my lunch at Randall? Felipe, let's talk about this.
Where's my lunch at Randall?
Man, Felipe,
Where my
come
lunch
on,
at?
man, I don't want to die. Who told you I did it? Don't worry about it. Little birdie told me you took it.
He lying.
Now I want my lunch or you dead meat.
Oh, hell
you dead
no,
bird.
no, I ain't
Give
dying
my
over no
lunch.
damn lunch.
Give me
Oh.
the damn lunch. Spit it out. I knew you took it. I knew you took it.
Kill me over some damn
I
fish.
knew you.
What's wrong with you, Felipe? That was cool.
For anybody who want to take my lunch, remember this. You talking to Big Felipe.
Big Felipe.
And Big Felipe don't play that.
He don't play nothing.
If you eat my lunch, you're dead.
That means you gonna die.
You are dead.
Murder.
I tell everyone that my personality has two speeds. One is -5. And the other one is about 210. One, two,
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
What am I writing? I love you. Hi. 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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want to play maracas?
Zebra, white hair.
Okay, so how we can keep it in that way?
My best picture, my worst 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 picture.
Give me a kiss. Good boy.
What are you doing? Are you helping yourself with the apple? Are you helping yourself? Hey, you little thief. Hey, seriously? I guess you're one of the family now.
Thank you for watching.